Welcome to JoyMix Wonderland. Story time. Amby Ant and Appy Alligator. Amby Ant climbs an apple tree. She eats a juicy red apple. Appy Alligator comes by. He wants to eat apples too. Appy Alligator asks Amby Ant for an apple. But apples are heavy. Amby Ant cannot pick apples. So, Appy Alligator shakes the tree. An apple falls on Appy Alligator. He cries out, "Eh, eh, ah." Amby Ant asks Appy Alligator, "Are you okay?" Appy Alligator tells her that he is fine. Amby Ant and Appy Alligator eat apples together.
Amby Ant is on the apple tree. Appy Alligator comes out to see. Appy Alligator wants an apple to eat. He shakes the tree and one falls at his feet.
Amby Ant is on the apple tree. Appy Alligator comes out to see. Appy Alligator wants an apple to eat. He shakes the tree and one falls at his feet.
Our words. A are apples. A are Amby Ant. A are Appy Alligator. Thank you for watching. Follow for more videos.